What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. And if you guys are new, it's your boy Eddie. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. And right now we's in the garage and we have the hood wide open. And I don't know what I'm gonna title this video, but if it already says in the title, you guys know what I'm doing. But if not, right now I'm about to explain to you guys. So we're about to take off the carbon hood because if you guys seen my previous videos, you know I've been mentioning that I'm going to paint the hood. I was either gonna sell it or paint it. I put it up for sale. No one wanted to come buy it, but so I'm gonna paint it. So I'm about to take it off, take it to my body shop, and we are gonna send it off for paint. So we're gonna color match it, and we are gonna leave just the center right here exposed, but the rest of it we're painting. So if you guys kind of get the gist, we're doing just the middle. Let me see if I can show you guys. We're gonna leave all this, the center right here, exposed carbon. Everything else is getting paint matched. So that's what we're doing. I don't know if my face was zoomed in on that, but I hope not. But yeah, we're doing exposed carbon in the middle, following the lines. So we'll leave this exposed as well. So all this is getting painted except for the middle right here. So I was planning on leaving the vents exposed, but I decided to just paint them as well. I'm about to take off these windshield wiper water things. You guys know what I'm talking about. And then remove the 4 bolts, and then it'll be released and we'll send it off for paint. We'll leave obviously the inside exposed carbon because it's already carbon. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is dry carbon underneath. But this will be the last time you guys will see this hood full carbon exposed. I got tired of the exposed carbon look and it's time for paint. It's gonna be hard selling it when I want to because only another refraction blue can basically buy this hood. But hey, I'm willing to do it. Fuck it.
Okay, so I made these flowers for Eduardo. Well, Eddie. Aww. They're really cute, and I made them with Trader Joe's bag myself. I handpicked the flowers, and Eddie's gonna walk through the door right now. We're gonna see his reaction. Look at how cute they are. So cute.
Alright guys, so as you guys can see, the hood is still on. I got some explaining to do. So I held off on it because I was supposed to take it like Tuesday, but then I was holding off on it because I was like, damn, I could probably sell it, so let me try to sell it. Give it a couple more days, and nobody offered it. So now I'm gonna go to the body shop, take off the hood there because my girlfriend's trunk does not fit. The hood is just way too big. So I'm gonna take the car right now, take a couple of tools so I could take it off over there and then just drop off the hood and then drive the car back with no hood on. Cause yeah, I have no hood. I have the stock one, but it's in the back, and yeah, I don't have anything to take it with me or anything like that. I think I might just leave the car here in the garage for the week, and then I'll just probably be whipping my girlfriend's car because she works late in the afternoon. I work mornings. It'd be cool, but I gotta ask her. If not, she don't hurt me. You guys just saw right now in the last clip, she bought me flowers. She's so cute, huh? Hey, bro, it's okay. Guys deserve flowers too. But let me see what kind of bolts these are so I can grab the tool. Alright, they look like a 12, so let me check. If it's a 12, man, I got a good eye. Alright, let's see. It does look like a 12, so if I got a 12, I got a good eye, bro. Oh, so close. So 13. 13. Alright, we're good. Let's go. Oh, I need to close my hood. Goofy gooper. Alright guys, we have officially took off the hood, and holy shit, this thing looks crazy. Hold up, let me show y'all real quick. Let me turn on the car real quick. Oh, I need to close my trunk, right? We were gonna do the trunk, but it's a hassle to take it off, so we decided we're gonna wait. But this is how we got the hood, and this is how I'm driving home right now. Open hood, you feel me? I hate how these are up, but we gotta have them like that. Alright guys, and now we are officially home and the car is hoodless. Just look at this. Bro, I was driving like this and people were giving me the looks. All they see is a carbon fiber engine bay with some titanium and intake, and they hear that T51R roaring. Just looks absolutely insane though. Only if these things were like lower down, but we can't do that obviously. Looks pretty dope, just like this sitting in. But Louise did tell me, huge shout out to Louise. If you guys need any body work, any paint work in the Northridge, Reseda area, hit up ABC Auto Body Shop. Talk to my boy Luis and he will hook you up. Any insurance claims, anything like that too as well. Like if you got in an accident, hit him up. He got you. All that good. He always took care of my cars. I have so many cars that I've taken to him to fix, repaint, all this type of stuff. So if y'all need anything, go hit up my boy Luis because he's really coming through for me right now. I need the hood by next Saturday for WECFest. And he said he's gonna try to get it done for me by next Tuesday. That's pretty a fast turnaround time, you know. We're on Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, and then, you know what I'm saying? I also gotta talk to him about the rear diffuser because he said there's gonna be a nice little Easter egg on the hood when we get it back. And when I get it back, I'm gonna show you guys and I want you guys to see if you guys can figure it out. I'm not gonna tell you guys now because then I'll give it away. But when I get it back, and if you guys can like instantly spot it out, I think you guys most likely will. It's gonna look sick. I need to talk to him about my diffuser, so I need to re-clear coat this ASAP. So we'll see what's up with this. Alright, but I did promise my girl that I was gonna wash her car because her car is filthy and it really needs it. So I'm about to do that right now. I've been holding back on it for a couple of days now and she's been mad at me for it. So let's get this washed. Dang, even the roof, man. Look at this. Damn. Where is she parking at?
The next day.
Alright guys, it is the next day. We are back in the garage and I have my Go 3 right now. And I saw a little, well, I've done this before, but I saw this on Instagram and it reminded me I wanted to try it again since I have the hood lit. I mean, since I don't have the hood on the car. I think it would be sick if we just get like a POV of the car driving with obviously the engine and everything showing, just getting a POV of like the whole 360. I think it'd be sick. So we're gonna do that right now. We'll pull out the car, get some clips for you guys, just because I felt like this vlog was really short. It was only like 8 minutes before I started recording all this. So hopefully this can add a little bit more content to the vlog, you feel me? Hopefully they start painting tomorrow and then take the diffuser and then we're possibly gonna paint the wheels. Possibly, I'm not sure yet, but possibly. See if it sounds like a jet. I want to hear if you can hear a turbo. So we're recording right now with the Instago 3, and it's crazy because I connect it and control it here. So we're just gonna go around the block, get a couple of clips for you guys. Hopefully it sounds good and it doesn't sound crazy, and I hope that doesn't fly off either. So, and we're gonna hear that because of the hood, obviously.
Why did he leave him up like that?
That's how they gotta stay up. Then they won't close back down. But we're doing this in my neighborhood because obviously I don't want to take this in the street. It's too much attention.
my god! Oops, I think I was supposed to be recording that. What do we think about the Subaru, guys? Should we add it to the channel? She's pretty awesome. Oh my god. You're gonna. Oh my god. You almost hit it. You see that? Nothing. Yep.
The mount was a success. It was good. I hope it came out good.
Good.
But if you got, can you even see the light good? Like,
yeah, you look great.
If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so you guys don't miss out. The car's gonna be at WECFest next Sunday, but Saturday I have to take it in, and then hopefully by Tuesday the hood's all ready. And what else did I want to do? I possibly might get the wheels painted. Possibly, it's not a for sure. I'm gonna talk to the guys to see what they say. If they can get it done by Saturday, then we'll do it. If not, we'll just take the wheels as is. But what else? I feel like I wanted to say something else. Wanted to add something else. Probably not. I don't know. I'm just tripping. But again, if you guys like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for your boy, and be part of the family. But this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.
If he held his tongue on that live, he'd be alive again. Damn, my uncle's sister knows she raised a real one.